Alright, it's time for an update on the yard art. I decided to light it up, change the motor bit and whatnot, put the grill on, moved it up forward, used a catalytic converter shell for a supercharger. Just wired some regular house lights up, got some LEDs for it, and then tinted the headlights so it's not blinding the cars coming by. Got some blue LED string lights in it. And then show you what it looks like in the daytime too. And here she is in the daytime. So, I looked at the video previous video and realized how much more I had done. So before I just had the grill kind of leaning on the motor, painted the motor, did the supercharger. It's just a catalytic converter from a 1998 Dodge 12 valve Cummins. I just gutted it, cut the bottom off, and screwed it to the top. The framework is part of an old treadmill, and then I just used some angle iron and put some bolts on it to hold the wheels in place. Welded the grill on and leaned it. Found some glass headlights from a more modern Jeep, and then cut out the back of them, just tie wired it in place. Put some household lamp fixtures in there, and then some LED lights. Yeah, I'm using it as a scrap metal bin to prevent people from sleeping in the nighttime there. Still haven't attached the back wheels, but they're holding firm for now. Good enough. Oh yeah. It's funny because my truck is pretty identifiable and people always talk about it, but now, since I put this thing out front, now every random's coming up to me and going, "Hey, oh, I love that piece you dragged out front."